Hi, we had a wonderful day at Fantasy Park on March 19th with the lovely kids of Amrita English Medium School, Kerala Sherry. It was filled with laughter, excitement, and unforgettable moments. Watching the children enjoy every ride and activity made with experience even more special. Truly, a day full of joy, bonding, and beautiful memories that we will cherish for a long time.